Hello, today I'm gonna change a glow plug because I'm getting a warning light right here. You can see that it's like flashing, it's alarming you that there's a problem with the glow plugs. You need actually to use an adapter to find the DTC or error code, and then you can see the number of the error code, and you can find the glow plug number that you have problem with. Using a simple adapter like this and a program like Alfaobd, for example, here I'm using Alfaobd 2570. You should be able to scan the ECU of your car to find the DTC errors. This adapter is not expensive. You can find it on AliExpress. It's modified for Ford, and it also works perfectly on Fiat engines, Fiat cars. And also for the program, you can use the trial version. So you don't need a license to see the DTC error. But if you're gonna use active diagnostic, you have to buy a license. Now I'm gonna connect the adapter to the laptop. And the other part is gonna connect to the OBD port. We click on the connect here, but we should select the brand, the model, and the function. Here our function is engine because we're gonna find the DTC code, and here I'm choosing engine 1.3 JTD, which is the right choice here, and then connect. Here you can see the connection status, and then you have to find the error code by clicking on the read all faults. And as you can see, there's only one error, which is P0673, and that belongs to glow plug number 3. As we saw by the error code, that's the glow plug number 3 that is faulty. So you have to remove the cover, and as you can see, the glow plugs are right here: number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. And number 3 is this one. Maybe you cannot see because the turbo covers are preventing to see the glow plug. So we have to remove them, and then we'll see what we can do. These are the tools that we need to change the glow plugs: ratchet, universal socket, a thin socket number 9. It's a little long. It's longer than normal sockets. It should be thin because the space that you are working in is really small, and you need a special socket called hex socket. This one is number 5, so this one is number 9, number 5, and you need a number 10 socket, and you need extension as well as torque wrench, which mine is from 5 Newton meter to 25 Newton meter. So I'm starting opening the screws with the hex socket number 5. And now I'm using socket number 10 to open the turbo cover. This is the turbocharger, and here we have the glow plug number 4, and according to the DTC error code that I showed you, our glow plug number 3 is faulty, so we have to remove it. And that's the glow plug. As you can see, it's really tricky to open and remove it because there's no space to do that without these tools. So now I'm gonna show you. This is how you connect the ratchet to the extension, and then the universal socket, and finally socket number 9, which is a thin socket actually. And as you can see, it's working like that, so you can easily open it. Just I have to mention that before opening the glow plug, so for example, you can go shopping, I don't know, you can drive it for a few minutes, and then when the temperature of the engine is high enough, you can open the glow plugs very easily. So don't open it when the engine is cold, because it's really tight, and you might not be able to open it easily, and you can damage the socket or the glow plugs, or even the cylinder head. Now the glow plug is loosened, but we cannot remove the tools because the glow plug is now is out of the head. It's inside the socket, so it's not easy to remove because the turbocharger is here and there's a little space. So we have to detach the socket from the universal socket like this. Now we can remove it, but be careful, the turbo is hot, so you have to be careful. And that's the glow plug. This is the right glow plug that you're gonna install on your Fiat Tipo. Remember that the size of the glow plug is really important in this case because you have a turbo charger there and you don't have enough space. So the glow plugs, the regular glow plugs with 12 centimeter length would not be a good choice for that. The right one is this model, and its size is 11.87 centimeter, and it perfectly fits. Well, here you can see the old glow plug with the new one. They have the same size. So you put it like this. Now we have to wait because the torque that is suitable to tighten these glow plugs is actually for the cold engine. The right torque to tighten this glow plug is between 10 and 14 nanometer. Wait for the engine to cool down before tightening the glow plug. So we're gonna wait until the engine cools down, and then using the torque wrench we'll tighten the glow plug. To set the torque wrench, turn it until the gauge is getting close to 10, and then number 2 is touching here. When you hear a click sound, you stop tightening. Okay. After tightening the glow plug, we're gonna test it by opening the switch and see if the glow plug light is flashing here. Well, it's not flashing, so we can say that it's fixed. But remember that the DTC code is still there, so we have to delete it using the adapter and the program Alfaobd that I explained already. And we're gonna do it right now. And now we can check the error code. Well, it is still there. So we clear the faults or clear the DTC error, and then we're gonna test it once again to see if the error code is coming back. And for the error code, we're gonna test it once again, read all faults, and as you can see, there's no fault, no DTC, so we can say that the glow plug is working perfectly and there's no fault.